The fifth step of the Brown and Clark framework of thematic analysis is defining and naming themes. That means for every theme, I'll go right-click, go to Code Properties. You can see I've already added the definition and descriptions. For example, atrial fibrillation definition, we can see the description is how atrial fibrillation is defined by the participants and the medical staff. Okay? Then atrial fibrillation symptoms, if you right-click, you can see I added a description. The symptoms of atrial fibrillation according to the participant. We have to go theme by theme, right-click, go to Code Properties, and clearly define the theme for a third party who would want to understand the theme. How is atrial fibrillation managed, or how atrial fibrillation is managed is the description. I added descriptions for all these themes. And after defining and naming themes, I can go to Share, go to Export, Export Codebook, and I want to export this codebook for you to see right now. And you can see I can get a codebook that includes my final themes and clear descriptions of what these themes mean. Every final theme has a clear description of what it means. And again, I can use this codebook in my study. And these numbers files, for example, we only analyzed one focus group, one file. And then we have references. References are the participant quotes. For example, under the subtheme of medical staff definition of atrial fibrillation, if you were to go to the NVivo and double-click that, under the first theme, you're going to see 4 quotes, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see number 4 references, 4 quotes supporting that subtheme. So that's how we define and name themes following the Brown and Clark 6-step framework for thematic analysis.